Welcome to the kitchen, Tom.
Oh no, the sink is full.
Look at these plates.
They are stacked very badly.
Turn on the water.
The water is running.
Add soap to the sponge.
Okay, lots of bubbles.
Scrub the plates.
I scrub slowly.
Rinse the cups.
Now they are clean.
The counter is dirty.
So many crumbs.
Wipe the counter.
With a cloth, right?
Good. Look how shiny.
It looks new.
The plates are wet.
I will dry them.
Use a towel.
Dry one by one.
Put them in the rack.
All plates in place.
What about these wrappers?
I ate too many snacks.
Gather them together.
Okay, all in my hand.
Open the trash bin.
The bin is open.
Throw them away.
Goodbye, wrappers.
Now the fridge.
Let's open it.
It's almost empty.
Very empty.
Put water inside.
Water goes here.
Add some juice.
Juice is my favorite.
Only one soda.
Okay, just one.
Close the fridge.
Kitchen looks better.
Look around.
It's clean now.
Good job.
Thank you.
Ready for the bathroom?
Yes, the hardest room.
Look at the sink.
It's very dirty.
Scrub the sink.
With this brush,
Yes, around the edges.
up and down.
It's turning white.
Much cleaner.
The mirror has stains.
I can't see clearly.
Use glass spray.
Spray and wipe.
Wipe in circles.
Circles, slowly.
Now you can see.
Hello, clean face.
Time to mop.
This looks hard.
Push forward.
Slowly.
Pull back.
This is exercise.
The floor is shiny.
Very clean.
Old towels look messy.
Yes, they are old.
Remove them.
Old towels off.
Put new towels.
Fresh and soft.
Bottles are everywhere.
Too many bottles.
Group them together.
Same items together.
Make them straight.
Left side of the sink.
Look at the bathroom.
It looks great.
The sink is shining.
Very white.
Mirror is spotless.
No more stains.
Floor is drying.
Nice and clean.
The light feels calm.
I like this room now.
Are you tired?
A little. Yes.
Almost done.
I can do it.
Close the door.
Bathroom finished.
Good work.
Thank you.
Take a short rest.
Deep breath.
One room left.
The entrance.
Let's go.
I'm ready.
There's trash here.
I will take it out.
Tie the bag.
Titan safe.
Lift carefully.
It's heavy.
Open the door.
Going outside.
Carry it to the bin.
Almost there.
Open the big bin.
The lid is open.
Drop it in.
Done.
Now the rug.
It looks dusty.
Lift it.
Hold both sides.
Shake it outside.
Shake, shake.
Dust is gone.
Much better.
Shoes are messy.
Everywhere.
Put them on the rack.
One by one.
Make them straight.
Neat and clean.
Look at the entrance.
So tidy.
Very welcoming.
I like it.
Step inside.
Feels good.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you so much.
Look at the whole dorm.
Everything is clean.
Every room looks great.
I did it.
Sunlight feels warm.
Peaceful.
You look confident.
I feel confident.
Great job today.
I learned a lot.
Take a deep breath.
In, out.
Relax.
I'm calm.
The day is ending.
Time went fast.
Evening light is coming.
Very beautiful.
The dorm feels quiet.
And clean.
Look around.
I'm proud of this.
Clean home, better life.
And better English.
See you next time.
Bye, Ashley.
Keep practicing English.
I will.
Two birds, one stone.
I love that phrase.
Great ending.
Yes.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time.